Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go to a specific date in TradingView. If you've ever needed to revisit a particular earnings day, analyze a news event, or jump back to a key market move without endlessly scrolling, this is the quickest, cleanest way to get there. Whether you're looking at a product launch, an important announcement, or tracking a major trend for your Shopify store, this tool can help you pinpoint key moments in time without hassle. Start by looking along the bottom of your chart. You'll see a horizontal bar that holds handy interval shortcuts, the quick buttons for switching between time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or daily. These shortcuts are a great way to quickly adjust your view depending on how granular you need to analyze the price action. On that same bar, there's a small calendar icon. That icon is your shortcut to time travel on the chart. Go ahead and click the calendar icon. The moment you do, a dialog box will pop up. Think of this as a date picker tailored to your chart. It doesn't change your indicators or drawings, and it won't alter your layout. It simply sets the point in time the chart should display, so you can immediately focus on the candles and price action from that specific date. This is especially useful for Shopify store owners when you want to quickly jump to a specific date to analyze the performance of certain products, sales events, or promotions. Inside the dialog, select the exact date you want to review. You can navigate months and years, then choose the day you're after. This feature makes it easy to skip past days or weeks of data and go straight to the exact period you need. Keep in mind that your chart's time frame and time zone still apply. For example, if you're on a daily chart, selecting a date will take you to that day's candle. If you're on an intraday time frame and you choose a weekend or a market holiday, the chart will show the closest available session around that date. That's normal behavior and helps keep your view aligned with actual trading activity. This also helps if you're backtesting or reviewing historical data for certain periods. If you're focusing on analyzing a holiday sales spike or a unique promotion, this ensures that you're always viewing the data as it was on the actual date you want to study. This is a great way to spot trends and patterns without manually scrolling through a lot of irrelevant data. Once you've picked your date, click the Go To button. Instantly, the chart jumps to that point in history. From there, you can zoom in to study the finer details, zoom out for context, or pan left and right to see what happened before and after. The beauty of this method is its precision. It gets you to the moment you want without changing your existing setup or losing your place in multi-panel layouts. Whether you're focusing on analyzing sales trends during a specific week or examining the market's reaction to a product update, this method allows you to maintain a consistent view while zeroing in on the exact data that matters. That's really all there is to it. The bottom bar shows the interval shortcuts and the calendar icon. The calendar icon opens the dialog box. The dialog lets you select the specific date, and Go To takes you right there. It's fast, reliable, and a great habit to build into your workflow when you're analyzing past price action or market events. If this saves you time during your research or backtesting, consider making it your go-to move whenever you need to jump to a known date. It's a powerful tool that can help you become more efficient in analyzing past performance and improving your decision-making process. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your charts with more speed and confidence. The more you use this feature, the more time you'll save, allowing you to focus on what really matters for your Shopify store or trading strategy.